Let us talk about Agile or Agile. So we're going to be talking about Agile with a small a or Agile with a big A. So let's talk about Agile in the project management world. In the summer of 2017, my publisher and I were discussing titles for my book on CAMP, the Customizable and Adaptable Methodology for Managing Projects. And we decided to go with a bold title. So we chose Project Management Beyond Waterfall and Agile. And the reason we chose this title is because we were annoyed, frustrated with the one-sided debate on Agile and Waterfall that's ongoing in the project management community around the world. So that was about a year ago. Today, the situation is even worse. We are seeing more and more articles about Agile and Waterfall, mostly about Agile. So platforms like LinkedIn are really cluttered with questionable posts. I mean, there's nothing wrong with having articles and posts on Agile and Waterfall or any other things related to project management. However, when they are one-sided and they are questionable, we have an issue. Why are we saying one-sided and questionable? Why do we believe many of these posts, if not most of them, are questionable? Well, because all of them are, or most of them, are to promote Agile, and often by people who do not know what Agile really is. Some of them think of Agile as a new discovery. It's something that just popped up. They don't understand that Agile with a small a has been around forever. We hear things like Agile is eating the world. The Agile revolution, or Agile, or depend on which pronunciation you use. In Arabic we say Agile, or Ajala, the same thing. So we hear things like Agile is eating the world, the Agile revolution, trust me, let's go Agile, organization should transform to Agile, and even the city have an Agile day. I don't want to go further with the word Agile because it can get really ridiculous. The funny part is the person who is saying have an Agile day is even get to the point where she changed her name on LinkedIn to say that her name is Agile first name, whatever that was. I'm not gonna say it here today. Maybe later I will. So some of these people even call themselves Agilists, or some of us call them Agilistas. But the idea of Agilist is like evangelist or anything else. It's making Agile into a religion, which is really scary. We often jump online, and whenever we see some of those articles, the good one we praise, the bad one we have to make some comments or critique. And of course, many people do not like the critique because they think it's a criticism. They don't know the difference between critique and criticism. And they want to publish things that are wrong, and then we need to say, hey, great job, you are posting something wrong or illegal copy or stolen or copy paste. And we should praise them, even though when things are really not great, or full of errors, or misunderstanding of what Agile is, or what Waterfall is, or how to use either of them in the project management world. So what we decided to do is that, obviously, whenever we see some of those posts, if we feel like we have to respond to them, we would. However, we decided to do this series of short videos, and I'm going to try to keep them to 1 to 2 minutes maximum, or maybe 3 to 4 minutes. But I promise you, I will not go over 4 minutes, in order to explain some concept. But because we want to keep these videos short, we're going to have, with each video, we're going to focus on one topic or one point, and then ideally, of course, the series of these videos will build on each other. With this, we end the first video. Thank you.